Hey there, quick review on this Cuisinart 20-piece grill set. Really nice kit here. Comes in a nice metal case, latches on the front, easy to use, and it's got everything you need here on the inside. Taking a look inside, everything's secured nicely. You've got corn holders here for eating corn on the cob. Stick those on the ends, keeps your hands from getting burned. Grill brush along with a replacement grill brush head here. You've got 5 skewers. These are a really nice size. And then your basting brush here, got a nice silicone end on that. All of these have a nice metal finish on them, easy to clean, and they look great also. Moving down here, you've got a fork/digital thermometer right here. That's also got an LED light on it. Poke it in, it'll tell you what the temperature is of your meat as well as the desired temperature. And then chef's spatula down here. This also has a serrated edge on one side, which is nice for cutting into meat on the grill if you want to check your doneness, things like that. And then your tongs down here. Everything is secured really nicely in this case. This is a nice gift idea. Everyone needs grill accessories, so you can't go wrong with a kit like this. There's bound to be some useful things in here for whoever you're buying for. So nice kit overall by Cuisinart. Great gift idea. I'd recommend it.